بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Allah's name to commence with, the most gracious, the most merciful.
يا أيها المدثر
O you who is enveloped in a cloak,
قم فأنذر
stand up and then warn,
وربك فكبر
and proclaim the purity of only your Lord,
وثيابك فطهر
and keep your clothes pure,
والرجز فاهجر
and keep away from the idols,
ولا تمنن تستكثر
and do not do a favor upon anyone in order to receive more in return.
ولربك فاصبر
And for the sake of your Lord, remain patient.
فإذا نقر في الناقور
So when the trumpet will be blown,
فذلك يومئذ يوم عسير
so that day is a harsh day.
على الكافرين غير يسير
That day is not easy upon the disbelievers.
ذرني ومن خلقت وحيدا
Leave him to me to deal with, whom I created as single,
وجعلت له مالا ممدودا
and gave him enormous wealth,
وبنين شهودا
and gave him sons always present in front to serve him.
ومهدت له تمهيدا
And I made several beneficial preparations for him.
ثم يطمع أن أزيد
Then he displays greed that I may grant even more.
كلا إنه كان لآياتنا عنيدا
Never, because he keeps enmity of our verses.
سأرهقه سعودا
Soon I will cause him to ascend to Sa'ud, the mountain of fire.
إنه فكر وقدر
Indeed, he thought and inwardly decided.
فقتل كيف قدر
So, curse be upon him for how he plotted.
ثم قتل كيف قدر
Curse be upon him again for how he plotted.
ثم نظر
Then he lifted his gaze and looked,
ثم عبس وبصر
then frowned and made his face miserable.
ثم أدبر واستكبر
Then he turned away and became arrogant.
فقال إن هذا إلا سحر يؤثر
And said this, i.e., the Quran is the same magic learned from the people of the past.
إن هذا إلا قول البشر
This is nothing but the speech of a human being.
سأصليه سقر
I will soon shove him into hell.
وما أدراك ما سقر
And what did you come to know what hell is?
لا تبقي ولا تذر
It leaves no one who is deserving of punishment and leaves nothing unburnt.
لواحة للبشر
It strips away the skin of a person.
عليها 19
Above it are 19 guards.
وما جعلنا أصحاب النار إلا ملائكة وما جعلنا عدتهم إلا فتنة للذين كفروا ليستيقن الذين أوتوا الكتاب ويزداد الذين آمنوا إيمانا ولا يرتاب الذين أوتوا الكتاب والمؤمنون وليقول الذين في قلوبهم مرض والكافرون ماذا أراد الله بهذا مثلا كذلك يضل الله من يشاء ويهدي من يشاء وما يعلم جنود ربك إلا هو وما هي إلا ذكرى للبشر.
And we have not fixed the guards of hell except angels. And we did not fix this number but to test the disbelievers, in order that the people of the book may attain certainty, and to increase the faith of the believers, and the people of the book and the Muslims may not have any doubt, and those in whose hearts is a disease of hypocrisy, and the disbelievers may say, what does Allah mean by this astounding example? This is how Allah causes to go astray whomever He wills and guides whomsoever He wills, and no one knows the armies of your Lord except Him, and that is not but advice to mankind.
كلا والقمر
Yes, certainly, by the oath of the moon,
والليل إذ أدبر
and of the night when it departs,
والصبح إذا أسفر
and of the morning when it spreads light.
إنها لإحدى الكبر
Indeed, hell is one of the biggest things.
نذيرا للبشر
Warn mankind,
لمن شاء منكم أن يتقدم أو يتأخر
for the one amongst you who wishes to advance or stay back.
كل نفس بما كسبت رهينة
Every soul is held as security for its own deeds,
إلا أصحاب اليمين
except those who are on the right side.
في جنات يتساءلون
In gardens they ask
عن المجرمين
from the criminals,
ما سلككم في سقر
what took you into hell?
قالوا لم نك من المصلين
They said, we never used to offer salah,
ولم نك نطعم المسكين
nor did we use to feed the needy,
وكنا نخوض مع الخائضين
and we used to indulge in evil speculations with evil thinkers,
وكنا نكذب بيوم الدين
and we kept belying the day of justice
حتى أتانا اليقين
until death overtook us.
فما تنفعهم شفاعة الشافعين
So the intercession of the intercessors will not benefit them.
فما لهم عن التذكرة معرضين
So what is the matter with them that they turn their faces away from advice?
كأنهم حمر مستنفرة
As if they were frightened wild donkeys,
فرت من قسورة
running away from a lion.
بل يريد كل امرئ منهم أن يؤتى صحفا منشرة
Rather, each and every person amongst them desires that he should be given open pages in his hands.
كلا بل لا يخافون الآخرة
Never. This will certainly not happen. Rather, they do not fear the hereafter.
كلا إنه تذكرة
Yes, certainly, indeed, that, i.e., the Quran is advice.
فمن شاء ذكره
So, whosoever wishes to may take advice from it.
وما يذكرون إلا أن يشاء الله هو أهل التقوى وأهل المغفرة.
And what advice will they accept but when Allah wills? Only He deserves to be feared, and forgiving befits only His glory.
صدق الله العظيم.